go, Everett. Let's go, Everett.
Fall down.
That away, Everett. Way to come up with it.
Shot, Everett.
Trip. Come on, sir. Way me tough, Everett. Good hit, Oz.
Oh, come on.
Good job, Oz.
Come on, we need a fast. Oh, that's
Face, thank you.
All right, let's go. We need this and one. Good job, holding him. Is he holding him?
doesn't matter. Either way, it's close up.
Let's go. Come on, 21. We need to score. We gotta get him going.
All right, Ely, let's go. Let's go, Iron Horse.
Come on, 21. Got
Get a touch, Fred. Oh, get a touch. Good try, Grip. Good hustle. There it is, boys. Good look, bro. Good finish, Jordan.
Rocco, great move.
Go, boy. Go, Brayden. Get a grab ball here, bud.
Gotta get in there.
Let's go, Hughes.
Get the ball.
Help that. You're facing the wrong way.
Go north. Come on, this is a delay.
Come on.
Come on, Mace.
All right, let's go.
Mace, drop.
It's us.
Purple ball.
Purple.
Purple
Purple ball.
Purple ball.
He hit the ball.
Put the ball down.
Purple ball.
Delay a game.
Goodness.
Let's go, Jimmy Dowd.
Come on, Jimmy.
Good call, ref.
Go Mace. Go Mason. Yes, Mason.
On you, Jake.
You beat him. You beat him.
Good job, Griff.
Good job, Griff.
Way to go, Griff!
Way to go, Griff!
Flag.
Where did that bounce
It's a flag on them.
Oh, there's a flag.
Penalty.
Oh.
I think it was hit the hug. I think it's gonna be the slash.
Here we go.
That's my guess.
The
But.
sun is brutal. It is so you cannot see.
Go, get one.
There's a lot of downtime.
Good save, Griff.
Jordan!
There you go, Griff. Way to go, Griff.
Jordan, get back!
Hustle play, Griff. Come, Brian. Run by him. Run, 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 run. Holding it open.
Over. Oh, he's gotta go in the box. He's gotta go in the box. It's gotta go in the box. He's gotta go in the box.
Oh, baby, Scotty. Good shot, bud.
Turn and go! Go! He's got to stop turning the ball over. Come on, guys! Better passes!
Hey, help him out! Help him to double it!
Push him out, push him out.
Get him, get him.
Good job! Good job, Luke! Hey, Luke, good job!
Oh, come on. Can't get me.
This is a new call move.
Yeah, Scotty. Stay with him.
Yeah!
Good job, Morrow.
Good job, Mark. Good job, Ollie.
It's going the wrong way. Come on, 21, let's go!
Elite, let's pick our heads up, let's go.
Let's go, Everett.
Let's get in it, boys.
Go, Aiden.
Everett. Get there, Brayden.
They released. They released. They released. They left the box.
No possession!
What? They've been out of the box.
They cannot come out!
The ball crosses that blue line. Yes, they can.
They never did.
It didn't! Come on, guys!
That's not a trip.
Jesus. Come on, Jimmy!
Griff. Hold it, help! Help him out! Oh, no,
Debbie, turn! Mama!
Just checking in that corner. Both had to marry.
Help it. Help it. Good job, James. Good job, James! Great job, James!
Guys, we gotta get possession of the ball. Who's down?
Hey, let's ride it, Rex.
Who's running?
Get there.
Trouble. Quick goal. You might get in transition.
Yes, good job, all. Patience, guys.
What?
Everett.
What?
No fast break.
Get water.
Hey, Brett! Get your ground ball, Brandon. Here we go. Come on, Brett.
Come on, 21! Let's go!
On the flag, sir!
Go up. Yes, Everett. Yes, yes, yes.
Heel behind you! Trap! Let's go, 21!
Good job, Sebby.
You gotta get rid of
Oh, it's
it!
in the head.
Oh my God.
Get back! Get back!
Great job, boys!
Double, double, double!
Move it!
His knee. His knee. Is he okay?
Slow it down, sir!
Good job, Lukey.
Good job, Luke.
Patience, Luke.
Brian, what are we at? Time-wise?
Probably like 5 minutes to go.
6, 7.
So.
We gotta get possession.
This team got a lot better since we saw them in Vail. What's that? Well, the rest of your team was way better because we beat you with really crappy. Yeah.
You must have been a true. Huh? We can't.
Go, Everett!
Come on, Everett!
Go, Brayden! Go, honey!
We're down by 5. All right, let's go!
Can't run with your back straight.
Who is the ball?
Gus.
Gus. Let's move the ball, 21. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Jesus.
There you go, Carter!
Red!
Yes, Carter! Yes, Carter!
Jordan, get rid of the ball.
Go, go, go!
That's 3 in the head.
Yes, Carter!
Stay tough, Jordan. Good job, Griff.
Do it! Do it!
Good save, Griff! There you go, Griff!
Let's go, let's go! Come on, Keegan. Jimmy, let's go.
That early!
Yeah. Kids are tired, man. It's been a long week and they've played well.
Yeah.
There we go, boys.
All right, let's go, let's go! No, I think we're down to 4. And we're down to 5. We're down to 4, right?
6-4. 6-2.
Yeah. Let's go, let's go! Look at them.
Yes, Everett! Yes, Everett! Oh!
Yep, us! Purple!
Oh, that's a delay!
Delay! Oh!
Son, rock him!
Yes! Let's go, let's go! Conduct.
Your guy was talking to me.
Somebody must have said something.
Hey, boys, let's go! Keep it rolling!
Come on, let's go, let's go! Come on! Two.
Oh, just 2? Oh, okay. Alright.
No, it's a 6-3.
First 3.
6-3. 6-3. Like
3 minutes.
Okay, okay. That's okay.
I think you just said 4 minutes. Yes, sir.
I like that better.
Here we go, Blue. Let's get one, guys. Come on, guys. Let's go, advance.
Yep.
Let's go, D. 107.
Come on, boys, let's go!
Come on, 21!
Here we go, Everett. Everett. Win one, Everett. You got it, buddy.
Let's go, Everett!
Let's go, Brayden.
Come on, Scotty.
Oh, Paul's a good
Yes!
Save? That was not 4 minutes.
That was a fast 4 minutes. But it is what it is.